be fun to show you guys how I set up Michael's drinks for the blindfolded drink challenges that he does. This is my favorite thing that we do. Okay, so today we're doing rainbow, and I got like a little creative. I was like, okay, I want to do things that like are gross, obviously, because that's the best part, and also things that I know he likes, so that he'll have a break and he'll think that the grossness is over, but then it's not. So we're starting with marinara. And I got one that's not chunky so that it will come up the straw. Is it liquid enough? I'm gonna try it myself to see if it's liquid enough. Oh, it's gonna be off. Marinara is going in. All right, orange is Dayquil. We're going on a flight tomorrow. Michael needed Dayquil anyways. I'm like, why not kill two birds with one stone? And they gotta be like at the front of the box so you guys can see them. Yellow, we're going classic Gatorade. Lemon lime, I feel like it's a good flavor. It'll be a great palate cleanser. The lime and lemon will like wash away the Dayquil and marinara that are all over his tongue. So we're doing that. And then I was like, okay, I want to do one we've already done. So I did Mountain Dew because this was the only Mountain Dew flavor somehow, classic Mountain Dew, that he didn't get on the first guess. Oh, I just scared Josh. Okay, so we're doing green. I don't think he's gonna get Mountain Dew. I think this is the one he doesn't get today. Blue, again, a good flavor. We're doing Glacier Freeze. I feel like there's a lot of blue like sports drinks between Powerade and Gatorade, and he might not get this because there's so many flavors. So I was trying to like stump him. We're doing Purple Poppy, obviously. Michael has never had such a bad reaction to a drink before other than this. And then I needed something little because there's not a lot of space left in the box, so I decided to do Pepto. And I have to finagle this, so I have to make this taller so that the straw reaches because it's not full and the straw isn't that long. So the thing, then try to make it lay flat so it doesn't like hinder your viewing experience. Oh my God, I'm so excited. This is my favorite thing ever. Okay, so Pepto goes in. Oh, and it fits like a glove. There's the rainbow. Okay, I hope you enjoyed I think Michael's posting this before me because I have to edit this, but okay. I'll see you in that one, love you. I forgot to show you how I do the straws. Okay, so something I did that's really cool is, all right, you don't need to see this part.
Guys, it's been brought to my attention that I was not supposed to actually do the drinks in rainbow order. I was just supposed to do rainbow colors.
Well, it's not that you weren't supposed to do it in rainbow order. It was just that like you could do it in any order you wanted, and you just so happened to pick rainbow.
Well,
but I want people to know I didn't know it was rainbow order. I didn't know that because I don't want people thinking. Because if I knew, it would be a lot easier. But I didn't. I kind of figured it out halfway through, but I didn't know.
Okay.
I just